Okay, so now we are ready to go. Now we are ready to go to R. Actually, just worth to mention that you need to do some cleaning here, then to avoid some extra cleaning or extra comments in R. For example, now you see wherever we have this dash here, that means there is no data. 0, yes, data, but here dash. So you try to clean this data using Control F, replace, whenever you have this sign here, you replace with empty. So replace all. Okay, now you see, now most of the data has, if you don't have the data, you have empty cell. Again, here you see that even for the rain data, okay, so this is for the events. You have rain, thunderstorm. Here, this is missing. Here you have rain, fog. Also, we try to deal with this data. Even though using the categorical data actually is not that strong actually for data imputation. Especially, you can see there is a lot of missings here. So this data usually we should decide that when to reject the data and when to accept the data. For example, this kind of data I will reject it because maximum we have here 3 months data. So if you have almost 15 days missing data, that is not useful. So also you should decide when to keep the data and when to reject the data. In this issues here, for example, like this, we have no problem. We try to manage this, but here, no, it's dangerous. So I will keep this just to show you how the software will do with this kind, or how the software will process this kind of data, whether it has a limited or very simple missing attributes or a huge amount of missing data.